I'm gonna try this one more time right here on Douglas Avenue and Main Street.
Wait. Wait. Traveling east. Wait.
So here's another one right here.
7, 6, 5. Wait.
I'm not waiting, come on.
Wait.
I do not want to waste your time anymore with this guy right here.
Wait.
There we go. And then as you can see, I don't know why there are like two crosswalk buttons here. They have the other one over here and the other one here. Well, that's strange. Yes, and you're gonna hear the countdown on this one. So this intersection has 10 seconds.
9. Wait. Traveling north. 6. Wait.
Okay. Now crossing Main Street again, as you can see right there. Yellow light just turned on for some reason. It starts in action starting in 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go.
Nine, 8, 7, 6. Wait. 5. Traveling west.
West.
Wait. 2, 1.
We got west here.
Wait.
Yeah, somebody screwed up that sign. Someone like scratched it, I think. I don't know.
Wait. Traveling west.
Alright, here we go.
Wait. Traveling. Walk sign is on. 10, 9, 8. Wait. 7. Traveling south. 5.
South.
Wait. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Traveling south.
Alright, push button for walk sign. We got south here.
Wait.
I don't want to push it like again. It's getting annoying if I push it one more time.
Walk sign is on. 10, 9.
Alright, that's it.